Welcome back to Let's Yarn Over channel. Today's next week is gonna be a Valentine's Day, so I would like to show you how to make this lovely heart go round coaster. This 3D heart stitch is really fun to make. For this pattern, I use 2.5mm hook to crochet 2mm yarn. It's a 4-ply cotton yarn. With white yarn, start a magic ring. If you do not know how to make a magic ring, go to the link I put on the top right corner. I'll find it in the description below. Chain 3. Insert your hook through the ring. Make a double crochet. We are going to make 12 double crochet into the ring. I have already made 12 double crochet. Now pull the beginning tail tightly to close the ring. Next round will be in red color, so I will chain to red. I have a tutorial on how to change colors by crocheting. Again, you can find it on the top right corner of the screen or in the description below. Make a slip stitch to end the first round. Round 2, chain 1. Make a single crochet increase in every stitch around, which means 2 single crochet in each stitch. One, 2, 1, 2. At the end of the round, you will have 24 single crochets. Round 3 will be in white, so chain back to white yarn using the same method. Make a slip stitch to end the round. Chain 3, make a double crochet in the first stitch. Then a double crochet increase in the next one. So a double crochet followed by a double crochet increase. Repeat around so that at the end of round 3, you will have 36 double crochet. Before making a slip stitch to end the round, chain to red. Round 4, make 1 chain, make 2 single crochet, and then a single crochet increase in the next stitch. The pattern is 2 single crochet followed by a single crochet increase. Repeat around so that at the end of round 3, you will have 48 single crochet. Chain to white yarn again. Slip stitch and chain 3. I'm gonna make 3 double crochet and then a double crochet increase in the next stitch. Repeat 12 times, so at the end of round 5, you will have 60 double crochet. Now we have come to the last round in which we will make the half stitch. After slip stitch to end the round, make 3 chain and then 5 double crochet in the first 5 stitches. In the next stitch, make a half double crochet increase Then chain 3. We will work to the left half double crochet first. Your hook should be inserted through the gap between the two half double crochet like this. Make 2 treble crochet, two double crochet, 1 half double crochet into the left half double crochet. Then I'm going to insert the hook in between the half double crochet increase and then bring it up through the loop underneath. So you insert your hook like that and then make 2 double crochet there. Turn the work so that it's easier to handle. Next, we are going to crochet to the right half double crochet. I turn the work back for you to better see the right half double crochet, but you will insert your hook like this. So work 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 treble crochet to the right half double crochet. Now turn the work back to the front and you can see the heart shape being formed. Chain 3 and slip stitch to the center of half double crochet increase. We have done the first heart stitch. Pull the red yarn through with 1 chain. Then repeat the heart stitch pattern in red color. 5 double crochet to the next 5 stitches. Half double crochet increase in the next one. We now work to the left half double crochet. Chain 3, 2 treble crochet, two double crochet, 1 half double crochet. Then insert the hook in between the half double crochet increase, bring it up underneath. Turn the work, make 2 double crochet. Finally, work to the right half double crochet. 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 treble crochet, chain 3, and then slip stitch to the center. Repeat around. Finish with a slip stitch and then a heart go round coaster is now ready to use. Next week is gonna be the Valentine's Day. I hope you make this beautiful coaster for the ones you love. It can be your mother, father, friends. You know, Valentine's Day is not just for couples, it's for everyone. So spread your love around. Let's prepare for a meaningful Valentine's next week. Hit like if you love this video and subscribe to my channel for more free crochet tutorial. If you have any questions or difficulties in crocheting, don't hesitate to drop me a message. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting!